Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varun and we are going to stand on business today because in this video I'm going to talk about why you should stop giving a fuck about people, especially if you're preparing for a competitive exam. And in this video I'm gonna share my story as well, how I dealt with it. And yeah, so let's get into it, and I am sure that you will learn something from this video, so watch this video till the very end. If you are a really sensitive person और आपको फर्क पड़ता है कि लोग क्या कहते हैं, and you replay the conversations कि उन्होंने मेरे को ऐसा क्यों बोला, वैसा क्यों बोला, क्यों बोल दिया मुझे ऐसे, या फिर it affects you so much, इवन इफ वो आपके कोई रिलेशन में नहीं है या फिर आपको किसी ने वैसे भी बोल दिया, कुछ भी बोल दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन माई केस व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी एंड ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम आपको घर पे ही बंद रहना पड़ता है एंड यू हैव टू स्टडी. एंड पीपल इन माई विलेज एवरी टाइम व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, शुक्र है कहीं बाहर निकला, तू भी थोड़ा बाहर निकल जाया कर. आंटीज दैट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद मी, लाइक लेजेड, लाइक आप तो इतने मेरे रिश्तेदार भी नहीं हो कि मैं आपके घर आऊँ, और ना ही आपके घर वालों की ऐसी कोई हरकतें हैं कि मैं आपके घर आऊँ. सो दिस इज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ द टी दैट around which I'm gonna talk about in this video. So yeah, okay, so let's start it. We have already started the fuck. Okay, in my scenario this was that आपके केसेस में कुछ और होगा, लोग आपके बारे में कुछ और बोलते होंगे या फिर कुछ और भी हो सकता है, बट दिस वॉज इन माई केस कि ऐसे लोग बोलते थे. व्हेन आई वाज इन माई 12th ग्रेड एंड आई वाज हैविंग माई बोर्ड्स, ओके, एंड यहाँ पे किसी की वेडिंग थी, ठीक है, मेरे घर के आसपास ही कुछ लोग रहते हैं, उनके घर वेडिंग थी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेरे एग्जाम था अगले से अगले दिन, एंड फिर भी मैं टाइम निकाल के आई वेंट टू देयर होम. उस दिन तो वेडिंग भी नहीं थी, उस दिन कुछ और ही था इनका, एंड आई स्टिल अटेंडेड दैट फंक्शन. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग I got to hear was, तू तो आता ही नहीं है, घर से बाहर निकला कर. And it was so draining because ऐसा नहीं कि उसी दिन इन्होंने मेरे को वैसा बोला, जो भी ये लोग थे उससे भी पहले एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट. मैं तो ये सोच के था चलो यार लेट मी गो टू देयर होम, कोई बात नहीं वगैरह वगैरह. एवरी फकिंग टाइम इनके पास कुछ अच्छा बोलने के लिए होता ही नहीं था, कुछ इनके पास अच्छा बोलने के लिए नहीं होता था. दे यूज्ड टू फकिंग ड्रेन माई मेंटल हेल्थ, ठीक है. दीज अनहैप्पी मिजरेबल पीपल, लेट मी टेल यू, पीपल हु हैव मिजरेबल लाइफ वो अपनी लाइफ तो चेंज नहीं कर सकते, और वो सोचते हैं कि दूसरे को, समवन हु हैज अ स्पार्क, उसकी कैसी लाइट डिम की जाए. लेट मी टेल यू, यू डोंट नीड दोज पीपल इन योर लाइफ. कट देम ऑफ. योर मेंटल हेल्थ मैटर्स मोर देन एनीथिंग एंड एनीबडी. एंड इफ स्पेशली इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, you need your focus, you need your mental health to be good. Cut them off. Their opinion does not matter, they do not matter, their judgment does not matter, their existence should be irrelevant. कि ये करेंगे मुझे जज, ये करेंगे, इनको तो देख के हंस दूँ मैं. On that day, on the wedding day as well, someone from their family commented पूरे ग्रुप के सामने. There was a whole crowd in their house and she goes like, इतना मत पढ़ के सड़ जाएगा. That's what she said in front of all these many people. This is coming from someone who is 10th fail. So you tell me, their opinion should matter to me or not? No, right? Because you have clearly done nothing except failing 10th and then marrying someone miserable as well. So your opinion does not matter to me. और ये मेरे को बातें अब समझ आती है, तब मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ इतनी फकअप हो गई थी इन 12th. मैंने तो ड्रॉप लिया था ना, ये तो घर में तो कोचिंग के लिए गया था, उसके पहले की बात है ये. एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट डे आई केम होम एंड इट वॉज सो ड्रेनिंग. माई एनर्जी वॉज ड्रेनिंग. मैं क्या करूँ अपनी पढ़ाई पे फोकस. सो I remember, I think I had tear in my eyes when I came back home and like, fuck these people. I don't give a fuck. Literally, you are clearly not someone जैसा मेरे को बनना है, ठीक है. I wouldn't take any advice from you. Why would I take criticism? Or clearly you do not have anything good to say. You are miserable and I'm sorry. I cannot deal with that. Stay away. And उसके बाद से I have never went to their home. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि घर नहीं आते वगैरह, माँ चुदाओ. I don't care. I don't. I have seen my life. I have been through hell. This is not even, this is nothing. I have been through worse. So I'm like, fuck these people. I don't care. What matters me, myself. And I'm gonna lock in. for whatever it is. And I really don't want you to make those mistakes that I made. I really don't want you to get affected from these people, क्योंकि ये ऐसे लोग हर जगह होते हैं, इनका तुम कुछ कर नहीं सकते and you cannot change them. जो अपनी आधी लाइफ से ज़्यादा ऐसे रहे हैं वो क्या चेंज होंगे? वो नहीं चेंज हो सकते. You have to protect yourself and your focus and be selfish. अगर आपको कोई बोल देता है सेल्फिश है, ये है वो है, be selfish. I am telling you, put yourself first. Nobody comes first. जब अपना अपना टाइम आता है सब अपना अपना ही देखते हैं, कोई नहीं देखता क्या है क्या नहीं. जस्ट बिकॉज तुम अपनी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर रहे, दैट मेक्स मी बैड. एंड दीज आर jealous people out there and I know it for a fact. Like why do you care मैं आपके घर आऊँ या ना आऊँ? मेरी मर्जी, मेरे को नहीं आना. आपके बच्चे बहुत आते हैं मेरे घर पे, उन्होंने तो कुछ नहीं किया नहीं और जो कर रहे हैं उनको आप करने नहीं दोगे. एंड आई रियली कट देम ऑफ. एंड थोड़े दिन पहले ही उनके ही फैमिली मेंबर, आई वाज गोइंग आउट. एक तो मैं जब बाहर निकलता हूँ वो दिख जाते हैं मेरे को, बट एनीवेज पनौती लोग, ठीक है. तो मैं निकला एंड फ्रॉम समवन फ्रॉम दैट हाउस ओनली जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ द कार ऐसे जा रही थी और मैं ऐसे आ रहा था और वो जस्ट केम, उन्होंने मुझे देखा एंड दे पास्ड अ कमेंट कि शुक्र है निकल गया तू भी बाहर. एंड ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने मेरे सामने नहीं बोला, मैं पीछे था और मेरे को सुनाई दे गया. एंड आई वाज लाइक फक डूड. उस दिन मेरे को ऐसे धक्का नहीं लगा कि यार ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया इन्होंने, ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं मुझे बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ा. बिकॉज आई एम लाइक, वो मेरा आई डोंट गिव अ फक वाला एटीट्यूड हो गया था ना, कि मेरे को तो घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जो सोचना है सोचो. आई डोंट केयर. यू क्लियरली डोंट have a life that I would appreciate. I don't take your advice. I don't give a fuck about you. And people from your family, I don't even want to name those because I would keep them that for another video, because I really want to talk about all those stuffs as well. What stuff you will know in next videos. ठीक है? So this is that. To really get the vibes कि they are fucking miserable. They are living a pathetic life. So they are just finding ways to dim other people's light. पहली बात तो मेरा इतना वो होता है कि अगर आपके पास कुछ अच्छा बोलने को नहीं है तो आप अपना मुंह बंद रखा करो, ठीक है. चलो उनका मुंह बंद नहीं हो रहा है, so what we can do, cut them off. You do not need to explain anybody anything. It doesn't have to make sense to anybody. If it makes sense to you, that's all you need. If it makes sense to you, it doesn't matter other people are getting it or not, and it's not your responsibility. Make them understand. It's not. Let them think whatever they think. Other people's opinion is not my business. आज उनका ओपिनियन कुछ है, कल कुछ होगा, परसों कुछ होगा, तो जस्ट बिकॉज उनका वो ओपिनियन है तो उसकी तरह मैं अच्छा आज आपका ये ओपिनियन है तो आज मैं बदल जाता हूँ ऐसे, कल आपका वैसा होगा तो बदलना पड़ेगा, आप मेरे को बता देना. दिस इज व्हाट यू वुड डू. नो, राइट? सो स्टार्ट सेटिंग बाउंड्रीज, हैव सम सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, बिकॉज really not even about competitive exams, it's a general rule in life. Put yourself first, have self respect, have self confidence to stand up for yourself. और ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक दिन में आ जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं आती कोई भी चीज़. You have to give yourself exposure. You really need to start setting your boundaries. Start saying no to small things. That's how you know expose yourself to that uncomfortable feeling. Setting up boundaries is not about other people. It is literally about ourselves. कि हम वो feeling को झेल पाते हैं कि नहीं. We dread that feeling, that uncomfortable feeling, that unpleasant feeling that we get after we set up our boundaries या फिर when we say no. The feeling that we get. So you have to expose yourself to that feeling. धीरे धीरे you will get better at it, because your brain will tell you that okay, fine, we have done this before, we can do it now. You are providing your brain the evidence that it needs to trust and believe you. So start saying no to small things and start setting up boundaries. जो लोग बोलते हैं कुछ भी बोलें, ठीक है, मेजरली मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो ओपिनियंस उनकी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस से आते हैं. उन्होंने कैसे अपनी लाइफ जी है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो अपनी इनएबिलिटी को आप पे प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे. अगर आपसे वो कह रहे हैं कि तुमसे तो नहीं होगा, दैट मीन्स उनसे नहीं हुआ. अगर आप किसी को बताते हैं मुझे ये करना, और अगर आप सामने से वो इंसान आपको ये बोल रहा है कि यार तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, तो वो उससे नहीं हो पाएगा, ठीक है. यू डेफिनेटली कैन. डोंट लेट एनीबडी डिसाइड योर लिमिट. That limit does not exist. You can be anything you want to be. Your potential is unlimited. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Their opinions, जो भी वो तुम पे project कर रहे हैं, they are coming from their life experiences. They shouldn't matter. And also people like these, जैसे मैंने भी बोले, या फिर you would also have the kind of people, let them be in their hell. Sometimes you just have to be, I don't want to deal with this. Ew, fuck off, dude. I don't want to deal with this. I am protecting my peace. And for that, I will go to any level because I love myself and I would not make myself unhappy for something someone has said. इतना तो वो matter ही नहीं करता. That is what self-love is. That is what self-respect is. And sometimes the best thing you can do is, be silent and just walk off. Don't give them the reaction they want. उनको जो dopamine मिलता है ना, just stay silent. वो खुद ही अपनी स्टेटमेंट को 2 बार सोचेंगे और ये बोलेंगे कि मैंने क्या बोल दिया. और अगर टुच्चे हैं इतने, उनको फिर भी समझ नहीं आ रहा, रहने दो. तुम अपनी खुद की वाइब्रेशंस लो करोगे. You would have felt this when you interact with such kind of people, you interact with negativity or you reply back or something like that. You are left with this feeling of drainage. कि yeah, I shouldn't have dealt with that. I shouldn't have interacted with that. He is a negative person. My life is good and I don't wanna fuck up. And people will come. If you're especially very vicious or you're a very competitive person or whatever it is, आपको like you are preparing for a competitive exam and you really need to study 8 or 9 hours a day or you really care about those stuff, people will tell you, tone down a little bit, relax, you are too much, tone down a little bit. But let me tell you, babe, you're not meant to blend in, you're meant to stand out. Believe in yourself, you can do this. If not you, who? Read this quote on Instagram or somewhere that if you have a desire in your mind that you think about it every day, God put that into you because He thinks that you are deserving. You are of everything you desire. And I hate it when people like these, just dim your light and you suffer because of them because they are fucking miserable. I don't know मैंने miserable कितने बार बोल दिया इस video में, but whatever it is, it's the reality. You are just going on and projecting your negativity on people. What is your aim in life? Clearly not good enough to live. और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने बोल दिया कि नहीं just let them in their hell or just walk off और या फिर हर बार ही उनकी bullshit ले ली. When you feel necessary, reply back. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you have to be okay ऐसे सहमे से रह गए और या फिर उनको reply नहीं दिया और मुंह नहीं तोड़ा उनका बातों से, obviously बातों से. Whenever you feel like you have to reply to the person, this is getting too much, you should. I'm not a person who will preach, don't reply back, peace and all that. Peace तो वो already आपका destroy कर रहे हैं. So better stand up for yourself. Talk it when you feel like it. Talk about it. Clock them when you feel like, talking their shit. And stand up for yourself. And be unapologetic. Like literally. You should have an attitude ki this is who I am. This is who I am. I wouldn't change for anybody. This is who I am. If you don't like it, fine. I don't care. And if you like it, okay, great. That's it. And of course, when you take your power back, when you take your attention back, it is very important to put your focus, to put your attention on yourself, on your mental health. Like pick up hobbies if you can, and if not, start working on your body. Work out daily. If you can't go to the gym, do home workouts. It is very important. Have some kind of movement in your day. It really improves your mood. After you work out, why do you feel better? Because endorphins, serotonins, these are the chemicals that regulate your mood. And you do not crave for dopamine or sabotage yourself कि चलो यार ये देख लेता हूँ मैं, ये टाइम वेस्ट कर लेता हूँ, रील स्क्रॉल कर लेता हूँ, ये कर लेता हूँ, वो कर लेता हूँ. And if you do that, you often end up, and also when you're not focused on yourself, you look for external validation. अरे उसने मेरे को ऐसा क्यों बोल दिया, अरे उसने मेरे को ऐसा क्यों बोल दिया, अरे मेरे को तो बहुत इफेक्ट हो रहा है. Because you are looking for external validation. You should be validated by yourself, and that only happens, you should be fulfilled within you. That only happens when you focus on yourself, when you move your body, when you work out. These endorphins, serotonin that I'm telling you, they help you regulate your mood and they keep you from for cheap dopamine, unnecessary comparison, stalking, or whatever. When you do all this, you lose respect for yourself. You lose, and that's how your confidence decreases. And this is why people say it is very important to work out, or move your body, go for a walk, go for a run. It changes the game. I'm telling you, it does. And also, if you find really hard, just gaslight yourself. Gaslight, and this is a trick that I'm telling you, it really works. And I hope you take this one from me. Start gaslighting yourself into good habits, into liking good habits, until you subconsciously start believing, yes, this is what I like. Start telling yourself, I love studying, I love studying, I love studying, and then sit down to study. Then I love working out, I love working, and then do the workout. I love this, I love that, I love reading, and then read books. Your brain does not know what is the reality. The reality is what you tell it, and that's how most of the affirmations work. You repeat affirmations, and when you do the work, you provide your brain the evidence that, okay, I have done this, I can do it again and again and again, and that's how you build your identity. That this is who I am. You can literally wake up someday and tell yourself, this is not who I am, this is who I am, and I'm gonna start being like this. You do not wait for some opportunity or some moment कि ये होगा तो मैं ये करूँगा, वो होगा तो मैं वो करूँगा. And because of that, you create a space or a hurdle in between who you are and who you want to be. And in order to remove this space, you have to start doing the actions. You have to do the things, act like the person you want to become. That's all it means. I think that's all for this video. This video has gotten very long, so this is it for this video. Do let me know that what is the one thing that you found you are taking away from this video. And yeah, always love yourself. Don't let anybody dim your light. You are very precious, and just love yourself enough to be like, I don't deserve this, I don't deserve this, I deserve better, and I'm gonna work for it. That's it. Love yourself enough, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye.